Welcome to our in-depth comparison between the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus and the Motorola Edge 50 Neo. Both smartphones offer impressive features, but which one is the right choice for you? Let's dive in and find out. Starting with design and display, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus features a 6.67-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant colors and smooth visuals. In contrast, the Motorola Edge 50 Neo comes with a slightly smaller 6.4-inch OLED display, also offering a 120 Hz refresh rate and the same resolution, ensuring a crisp and responsive user experience. Now, let's talk about the build quality. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus has a sleek glass back with an aluminum frame, giving it a premium feel. It also features Gorilla Glass Victus on the front for added durability. On the other hand, the Motorola Edge 50 Neo sports a plastic back with a metal frame, which makes it lighter but slightly less premium in hand. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor, paired with 8GB of RAM, ensuring efficient multitasking and performance. On the other hand, the Motorola Edge 50 Neo is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, also coupled with 8GB of RAM, delivering robust performance for daily tasks and gaming. For photography enthusiasts, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus boasts a triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2.5 times optical zoom. Meanwhile, the Motorola Edge 50 Neo features a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. Both devices offer impressive camera capabilities catering to various photography needs. Moving on to software, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus runs on MIUI 14 based on Android 13, offering a highly customizable user experience with a plethora of features and optimizations. The Motorola Edge 50 Neo, on the other hand, comes with a near-stock version of Android 13, providing a clean and bloatware-free experience, which many users prefer for its simplicity and speed. When it comes to battery life, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is equipped with a substantial 6,200 mAh silicon-carbon battery, supporting 90-watt fast charging, ensuring extended usage and quick recharge times. In comparison, the Motorola Edge 50 Neo houses a 4,310 mAh battery with 68-watt turbo power charging, providing reliable battery life and swift charging capabilities. Storage-wise, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus offers 128GB of internal storage, while the Motorola Edge 50 Neo provides a larger 256GB storage capacity. Neither device supports expandable storage, so consider your storage needs when making a choice. In terms of pricing, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is available at approximately 30,999 rupees, whereas the Motorola Edge 50 Neo is priced around 21,700 rupees. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus offers a higher battery capacity and a powerful processor, while the Motorola Edge 50 Neo provides a more budget-friendly option with ample storage. In conclusion, if you prioritize a larger battery and a slightly bigger display, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus might be the better choice. However, if you prefer a more affordable option with greater storage capacity, the Motorola Edge 50 Neo could be the ideal pick. Ultimately, the decision depends on your personal preferences and requirements. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more tech insights and updates.